Good morning, students. The topic of today's lecture is R and S configuration. Now, you know what is configuration? The configuration is the relative arrangements of atoms or group of atoms around a symmetric carbon atom. Now, there are many ways of assigning configuration because it is not possible to determine the absolute configuration of any particular compound. So, this is one of the method which was given by Kahn in Gould and Prelow. So on the basis of the name of this scientist, chemist, this nomenclature is also known as CIP nomenclature. Now, in order to assign the RS configuration to a particular compound around a particular asymmetric atom, we have two rules. Now, first rule is rule number 1. The first rule says, first you have to assign priority to different atoms or group of atoms attached to asymmetric or chiral carbon. Right? This is first rule. First, we have to assign priorities to different atoms or group of atoms attached to asymmetric carbon. Now, this priority, it is assigned on the basis of some rules which are known as sequence rules. So, priority it is assigned on the basis of sequence rules, and the first sequence rule is rule 1. The sequence rule first, that atom with higher atomic number gets higher priority. It means the atom which is having higher atomic number will get the highest priority number, and priority where we can assign 1, 2, 3 and 4. For example, if this is a compound and in this compound these are 4 different atoms. So this carbon atom is a symmetric carbon atom and it is attached to 4 different atoms: chlorine, bromine, iodine and hydrogen. And now in this case, these 4 atoms, they can be assigned priority on the basis of their atomic number. Now among these 4 different atoms, iodine is having higher atomic number, so it will get highest priority, that is number 1. And bromine is having less atomic number than bromine and iodine, it will get second priority. And then chlorine third, and hydrogen having least atomic number, that will get the least priority. So first rule is that assign the priority to atoms or group of atoms attached to asymmetric carbon atom on the basis of atomic number. जिसका atomic number ज़्यादा है उसको हम priority जो है वो higher assign करेंगे. Now rule number 2, sequence rule number 2, if 2 or more atoms are isotopes of same element, then atom with higher mass number will get higher priority. For example, you can take this compound C H D CH3 or OH. This is D. So now this, in this particular compound, the four different atoms which are attached to this asymmetric carbon, they are hydrogen, then deuterium, then carbon, and then oxygen, because OH is attached to carbon through oxygen. So these are four different atoms, and in these, hydrogen is having least atomic number. That is, these are the two isotopes of hydrogen. They are having an atomic number Z is equal to 1, carbon 6, and oxygen 8. So in this compound, OH will get highest priority, that is 1. Then CH3, because of carbon, it will get second priority. And because hydrogen and deuterium, they have the same atomic number because they are isotope of hydrogen. But in case of these, in between these two, deuterium is having higher mass number, that is 2. So it will get higher priority than the hydrogen, which will get the least priority. So if two or more atoms are isotope of the same elements, then atom with higher mass number will get the highest priority. Now rule number 3. Now this is the case when if we can assign priority by comparing the first atoms. If priority cannot be assigned by comparing first atoms, then it is assigned by comparing next atoms and so on. I'll give you one example. Now in this compound, let us say here there it is COOH and it is CH2 CH3. Or we can take example of secondary butylamine NH3 CH3 CH2 CH3 and NH2. You can take butylamine, you can butyl alcohol, you can take butyl secondary butyl chloride. So let us see first this, take the example of this compound. Now in this compound, these are three groups which are attached to asymmetric carbon, and all the three groups, they are attached to asymmetric carbon through carbon only. So all these, the first atom, those three groups are carbon, carbon, carbon. So we can't assign the priority because they have same atomic number. So now what we have to do? We have to compare the next atoms which are attached to this carbon, first carbon atom. So first, this is C double bond OH. This is one group. This is C H H H CH3, and this is third is C H H C H3, right? So I will discuss it later on because इसमें हमारे पास जो एक C double bond group भी है, तो ये रूल ये जिसकी जो नेमिंग है प्रायोरिटी जो है हम फोर्थ रूल के बेसिस पे असाइन कर सकते हैं. बट स्टिल यहाँ पे इफ यू कंपेयर द नेक्स्ट एटम्स इन दिस केस इन दिस ग्रुप इज फर्स्ट एटम इज कार्बन एंड नेक्स्ट एटम इज COOH because any atom attached to another atom through double bond is considered to be attached to two such atoms. So next atoms in C double bond OH, that is carboxyl group. Next atoms are oxygen and hydrogen. Whereas in case of methyl group, the next atoms are H, H and H. H, 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 H. And in case of ethyl group, next atoms are H, H and this CH3 is carbon. So H, H and C. Now if we compare the atomic numbers of these next atoms, we will find that oxygen, because of its higher atomic number, it will get the highest priority. So carboxyl group here will get the highest priority because next atoms are oxygen, oxygen, oxygen and hydrogen. तो हाइड्रोजन तो कॉमन है तीनों में के, तो we can take consider these two atoms. तो ऑक्सीजन का atomic number जो हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन से ज्यादा है, इसलिए it will get the higher atomic number. Now we compare ethyl and methyl group. In methyl group, there are 3 hydrogen atoms, atomic number 1. But in case of 2 hydrogen and 1 carbon, so third atom which is attached to first atom is carbon, and carbon is having higher atomic number. So this ethyl group will get higher priority to the methyl group. So we'll give second priority to ethyl group and third priority to methyl group, and hydrogen जो है उसका atomic number सबसे कम है, number 1, so it will get the least priority. So this is third rule. Even if we can't assign priority by comparing the second atom, then we will compare the third atoms and so on. And last rule is rule number 4. इसका हिंट मैंने आपको थोड़ा पहले भी बता दिया, थोड़ा डिस्कस पहले भी कर दिया है. तो नेक्स्ट रूल इज इफ एनी एटम इज अटैच्ड टू अदर एटम, एनी एटम attached to other atom through double bond or triple bond, double bond or triple bond, then that atom is considered to be, then that atom is, then it is considered to be attached to 2 or 3 such atoms. So now I will give you an example. Now in case of carbonyl compound, this carbon is attached to oxygen through double atom. So now this carbon is considered to be attached to 2 oxygen atoms, because this oxygen and carbon, they are having the double bond. So this carbon is considered to be attached to 2 oxygen atoms. Similarly, in cyano group, carbon is attached to nitrogen through triple bond. So this carbon is considered to be attached to 3 nitrogen atoms. So in this way, we can then compare the next atom. So these are the 4 rules on the basis of which we assign priority to the atoms or group attached to the asymmetric carbon, around which we have to assign the configuration. Clear? Okay. Then we come to the second rule. First rule हमने पढ़ा था कि first we have to assign the priority to the atoms or group of atoms attached to asymmetric carbon. Then second rule is rule 2. Once we have assigned the priority, then rule 2 is applicable. View the molecule in such a way, हमने मॉलिक्यूल को देखना है इस तरह से, that atom or group of atom or group of atom having least priority is at bottom and away from the eyes of observer. कि जो उस मॉलिक्यूल को देख रहा है उससे ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, उससे दूसरी डायरेक्शन में जो है एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ लीस्ट प्रायोरिटी जो है होना चाहिए. नाउ सो हम मॉलिक्यूल को ऐसे देखते हैं कि एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ लीस्ट प्रायोरिटी इज एट द बॉटम एंड अवे फ्रॉम द आई ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वर. देन मूव योर eyes in order of decreasing priority. If our eyes moves in first clockwise direction, I will explain you just now. Clockwise direction, then it is assigned R configuration. It is assigned R configuration. And second, if our eyes moves in anti clockwise then we assign it as configuration. Right? Now I will explain you with the help of ball and stick model. Now this is ball and stick model. Now suppose this is H, white color ball is hydrogen and black color ball is carbon, and these are four different atoms of group of atom attached to this carbon. Now we have assigned the priority. This is the first. It is having blue, say it is having first priority, then red, orange, it is having second priority, and yellow, it is having third priority, and white, it is having fourth priority, least priority. So we have to view the molecule in such a way that atom of group of least priority वाला कौन सा atom है? This is 3-dimensional model, or it is hydrogen, and it is at the bottom, and it is away from the eye of the observer. अब आप इसको देख रहे हैं, you are observing it. It is on the opposite side, backward side. So it is backward. This is the correct position. We have viewed the molecule in this orientation. Now this is first priority blue, second priority orange, third priority yellow. Now move our eyes. Our eyes moves from blue to orange to then yellow. So our eyes, it is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So when it is moving in anti-clockwise direction, then we will assign it configuration S. But suppose कि अगर ये उल्टा है, blue is first priority, yellow is second priority, and orange is third priority. Then first, second, third. Eyes moves first, second, third. So it is moving in clockwise direction. So we will assign it priority R. So blackboard पे भी आपको दिखा देता हूँ. अभी we will discuss the cases also. This is H at the bottom, because fixed projection है, तो Cl, OH and say it is Br. So highest atomic number bromine, second chlorine, third oxygen. Atom of group of least priority is at the bottom. So we move our eyes bromine to chlorine, chlorine to first, second, third. So it is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So we will assign its configuration S. But अगर हम देखें NH2, OH, then CH3 or H. Oxygen highest priority, nitrogen second priority, carbon third and fourth. Atom of the group of least priority is at the bottom. तो हम इसको जब अवे हो तो ऐसे डॉटेड लाइन से लिखते हैं, और जो पॉइंटिंग है उसको हम डार्क लाइन से लिखते हैं. तो 1 2 3, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Eyes are moving in the clockwise direction. So we assign it configuration R. Now because it is very difficult to draw 3-dimensional picture on the paper, so in that case we use Fisher projection formula. So on the basis of Fisher projection formula, so there are 4 cases. First case is simple. Case 1, when atom or group of least priority is at bottom. So while drawing them, because you know that Fisher projection formula, it is drawn in such a way कि जैसे कि this is the molecule, तो इसमें जो vertical lines है, जो atom of group which are facing away from the eyes of the observer, they are represented by the vertical line, and atom of group which are projecting towards the observer, they are represented by the horizontal line. So this is called Fisher projection formula. So this atom of group priority should be at the bottom and away from the eye of the observer. Now when atom of group of least priority is at the bottom, for example, जैसे this is hydrogen, then OH, Cl or Br. So in that case we don't have to do any operation. Operation means rotation or reflection, etc. Symmetry operation. Because it is at the bottom, simply we assign the priority 1, 2, 3 and 4. Bromine highest, chlorine the next, oxygen उसके बाद, and the we go arrive in the clockwise direction. So it is S configuration. So when it is at the bottom, we have no problem. Case 2, that is when atom or group of least priority is on left hand side, or we can take one by one right hand side. So when atom group of these priorities are on the H, CH3, CH2, CH3, and this is a you can take fluorine. So this is hydrogen 1, sorry 4th. This is fluorine highest. In ethyl और methyl में ethyl की priority ज़्यादा है, so second, third. Now atom group of this priority is on the right hand side. So what we have to do? Atom group of least priority is on the right hand side. Now we have to rotate this molecule through 120 degree. 120 degree से जो हम rotate करेंगे, so this atom it will come here, this will go here, and this will go here. So we will have to write the equivalent position. Top atom will remain the same, इसकी position में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा, और बाकी सबका CH2, CH3, then F यहाँ आ गया और H यहाँ पे आ गया, right? So now atom group of जैसे ये है, we will move इसको 120 डिग्री से रोटेट किया, तो atom group of इस पैटर्न जो वो यहाँ आ गया, ऑरेंज यहाँ था वो यहाँ आ गया, और ब्लू जो था वो यहाँ था वो यहाँ से यहाँ था। ये एटम ग्रुप एटम यहाँ पहुँच गया, यहाँ वाला यहाँ चला गया और यहाँ वाला बॉटम पे आ गया। सो नाउ इट इज क्लियर, इट इज एट द बॉटम। नाउ वी असाइन द प्रायोरिटी 1 2 3। सो 1 to 2, 2 to 3, नाउ इट इज हैविंग एस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, बिकॉज इट सीम्स कि हम इसको क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज इट इज अवे फ्रॉम द आइडिया ऑफ ऑब्जर्वर। सो वी सिंपली वर्क मूविंग लाइक दिस 1 to 2, 2 to 3। सो वी विल असाइन द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। And similarly the case when atom of this priority is on the left hand side. So say it is OH. तो 1 2 3। अब ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है, तो अगेन विल नो 120 डिग्री, ये यहाँ चला गया और यहाँ वाला जो बैक वाला था यहाँ आ गया, यहाँ वाला यहाँ आ गया, तो पोजीशन इंटरचेंज हो गई। विल राइट इक्विवेलेंट स्ट्रक्चर CH3 और जो है H नीचे आ गया, OH वहाँ था वो यहाँ आ गया और F जो था वो यहाँ चला गया। तो हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी 1 2 3। सो 1 to 2, 2 to 3 विल गेट एस R, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन R। एंड थर्ड फोर्थ केसेस, ये तो हो गए सेकंड और थर्ड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड। एंड देन वी कम टू फोर्थ केस व्हेन एटम ऑफ ग्रुप ऑफ इज प्रायोरिटी एट द टॉप। When it is at the top, say H, this is OH, this is COOH, and this is I. So highest priority number iodine, oxygen second, carbon third, and hydrogen least. Now this atom of group of least priority it is at the top. So in order to bring it to the bottom, we have to carry out two operations. First, we have to rotate the molecule vertically through 180 degree. तो जब हम इसको 180 डिग्री से रोटेट करेंगे तो we'll get this configuration. Simply ऐसे था 180 से रोटेट कर दो, चाहे आप आगे को ले लो चाहे पीछे को ले लो। ये बॉटम पे तो आ गया और ये टॉप पे चला गया जो बॉटम पे था, बट नाउ क्या है, this atom of group of this priority it is pointing towards the observer. And this is not the situation, or this is not the position in which we have to do the molecule. So what we have to do? We have to do another rotation. That is rotation around this axis through 180 degree. So 180 degree से rotate करेंगे तो ये जो है ये यहाँ चला गया और यहाँ वाला यहाँ गया, यहाँ वाला। तो it means कि जब हम ये दो ऑपरेशन करते हैं, दो बार 180 में रोटेट करते हैं, एक बार वर्टिकली एक बार हॉरिजॉन्टली। तो ये हमने इसकी पोजीशन यहाँ चलेगी, इसकी पोजीशन यहाँ चलेगी। अब ये दोनों इस रोटेशन पे ये आगे आ जाता है, बट अगर हम इसको हॉरिजॉन्टल इस ऑपरेशन करेंगे तो इनकी पोजीशन जो है वो दोबारा से पीछे चले जाएगी। सो विल गेट ये H नीचे आ गया, OH ऊपर चला गया और I यहाँ चला गया और COOH यहाँ आ गया। So now this is the equivalent position after carrying out these two rotations. And in this case now it is finally the atom of group of least priority is at the bottom. अब bottom पे है तो we can see 1 2 3. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3. It means ions are moving anti-clockwise direction. So configuration around this carbon is that is S. So this is how we assign priority to different atoms or group of atom and then do the molecule and finally then we assign the configuration to any particular atom in a particular compound on asymmetric carbon, any particular asymmetric carbon, that is atom or group, atom which is attached to 4 different atom or group of atom. Now these are the examples in which there is only one asymmetric carbon, and if there are more than one asymmetric carbon atom, then we do the same, apply the same rules on 2 or more asymmetric carbon atom. Now you know this, what is this molecule? This is one of the isomer of tartaric acid, and because this atom is having a plane of symmetry, so it is mesotartaric acid. Now these two atoms, 2 and 3, 1 2 3 4, और अगर हम इसको कहें 2 3 डाइहाइड्रोक्सी ब्यूटेन 1 4 डाइहाइड्रिक एसिड IUCN. So 2 and 3 carbon atom जो है they are asymmetric carbon. So we have to, and if these two carbon they are attached to 4 different group of atom. So we have to assign priority to these two atoms C2 and C3. So we apply these rules on this. जैसे for example if we apply this rule to C2, तो C2 जो है this C carbon जो है it is attached to 1 COH2, 1 OH2, 1 hydrogen group, and this is one combined group CHOH COOH. So this whole group of atom is one group. So इसमें हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी किसकी है? ऑक्सीजन की फर्स्ट, देन सेकंड कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप, जो इसके नेक्स्ट एटम तीनों जो होंगे वो ऑक्सीजन होंगे, C डबल बॉन्ड OOH, C डबल बॉन्ड OOH. तो दो ऑक्सीजन और एक ऑक्सीजन और तीन ऑक्सीजन. और इस वाले के नेक्स्ट एटम है एक हाइड्रोजन, एक ऑक्सीजन और एक कार्बन COH, एक ऑक्सीजन एक कार्बन और एक हाइड्रोजन. तो हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी ऑक्सीजन, एटॉमिक नंबर हायर. सेकंड प्रायोरिटी कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप, नेक्स्ट एटम 3 ऑक्सीजन एटम. थर्ड प्रायोरिटी दिस कार्बन, दिस ग्रुप जिसमें नेक्स्ट एटम हाइड्रोजन कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन. एंड फोर्थ प्रायोरिटी you will get give it to the hydrogen. So atom or group of these priorities on the this left hand side. So we'll do the operation. जब इसको रोटेट करेंगे कौन से एंगल से करेंगे? यस 120 डिग्री से. तो 120 डिग्री से रोटेट करेंगे तो ऊपर वाला ग्रुप तो ऐसा चलेगा, ये वाला ग्रुप यहां चला गया CHOH COOH और हाइड्रोजन बॉटम पे आ गया और OH यहां पे आ गया. अब इसको प्रायोरिटी हायर है, इसको सेकंड है, इसको थर्ड है, इसको फोर्थ है. अब इस पे जो है सेकंड कार्बन पे हम अपनी आइज को मूव करते हैं 1 to 2 2 to 3. So our eyes will are moving in the clockwise direction, so we'll assign its configuration R. So configuration in mesotartaric C2 carbon is 2R. And अगर हमें इसका नाम भी निकालना हो हम डायरेक्टली हमारे पास रूल है कि mesotartaric acid जो है they are optically inactive. Optically inactive due to internal compensation. Internal compensation means one part of the molecule rotate the cancel the rotation due to the other part of the molecule. तो अगर इसकी configuration R है तो obviously इसकी configuration क्या होगी? S. I'll show you it. तो directly I can assign this configuration without doing any evaluation of this third carbon. So this compound will have 2R3S. अब हम इसको कैलकुलेट करके लगाते हैं. तो थर्ड कार्बन में हमारे पास एक एटम है हाइड्रोजन, एक एटम है OH और CHOH और COOH यहाँ पे है और COOH. तो H फिर आपका कहाँ पे है? राइट हैंड साइड पे. ऑपरेशन किया 1 ये नीचे, ये यहाँ और ये यहाँ. तो अब इसका इक्विवेलेंट स्ट्रक्चर आ जाएगा, यहीं बनाता हूँ आगे. CH बॉटम पे, OH यहाँ पे और COOH यहाँ पे और CHOH COOH. So 1 2 3. तो जो थर्ड कार्बन था हमारे पास यहाँ पे इसमें आई मूव कर रही है 1 to 2 और 2 to 3. तो कौन सी डायरेक्शन में ये? यस एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. सो वी विल असाइन इट TS. तो कन्फिगरेशन mesotartaric acid में इस मॉलिक्यूल में थी 2R3S. So in this way we can assign configuration to different compounds at different asymmetric carbon. Okay, understand? Okay, thank you very much.